Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how you can create user form and how you can use it to enter data into worksheet. So by using user form you can create data entry capabilities in Excel. So let's start. First of all I will show you how it works. I have created some fields on sheet 1. This is employee details. This is first name, last name, address, designation, gender, age, qualification, marital status and comments. These all fields are related to employees. I have created a command button which name is data entry form. It will show an user form to enter data in these fields. So I click on this button. Okay, this is an user form. It has some text boxes, combo boxes, spinner, text box, radio buttons, check boxes and command buttons. This is text box, combo box, and this is radio button, spinner, option buttons, another combo, and multiple text boxes and command buttons. Okay, so let's create some records and watch it carefully how it works. This is first name, last name, address. This is combo box. It's a designation of employee. There are some values and you can choose any value of for this fields, designation fields. So I choose this value, and this is a radio button. It calls option button also. You can choose any one option from multiple radio buttons of a group. You can never select more than one option in a group. It is always used in a group, and a frame control is used to create a group of radio button. So this is a frame, and there are two option button or radio button, and you can choose any one option from these two option button. Okay, this is age field, and this is spinner button. You can increase or decrease the value of age by using this spinner button. These are checkboxes. Checkbox are also used in a group, which is frame control, but you can choose more than one checkboxes at once, at a time. You can choose one or two or three or all of these checkboxes at once. This is okay, first I select three checkboxes. This is a qualification field, higher secondary, graduate, postgraduate, and this is also another combo box. It has two values and you can choose one of them. This is multi-line text boxes, and you can write comment for this employee. And finally, when I click on this button, all these values will be inserted into next available row of sheet 1. So I just click it. Okay, as you can see, all the values of user form has been inserted into this row number 2. Okay, once again I repeat this process and create another record. select one of these values. This time I select female, age 27, secondary. This time I select all these fields: unmarried, good employee, employee. Okay, as you can see, I have created 2 records, and when I create new record, it will insert it into next available row. And most important, you can't enter new record directly from this sheet. If you try to enter record directly, it will show error. As well as you can't delete any values, or you can't edit any values. It will show an error when you edit or delete or enter any new record directly on this sheet. You can only enter new records from UserForm. When you click on this button, a UserForm will be displayed, and you can enter new records from this UserForm. So now I will show you how you can create this UserForm and how you can create or write the code of VBA programming. Before I explain how you can create UserForm, please subscribe my channel to watch more knowledgeable video to learn Excel macro programming. So just click on the tag which is displayed on top right corner of this video and subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start creating new UserForm. I need to create a new sheet, and I copy this line into new sheet. Okay, now you need to open your code window. So you can open the Excel code window by using 2 ways. First, press Alt plus F11 keys to open this code window, or you can click on developer menu and just click on this option view code. So this is the code window, and now you can create your new UserForm. So click on insert menu and just click on UserForm. This is the UserForm. You can resize it as your need, and this is the toolbox. It will appear along with this UserForm. There are some Windows controls, Windows common controls, and you are definitely familiar with this all controls. It is common controls which is used in every Windows applications. This is the label box, text box, combo box, and all of these controls are used in every Windows applications. And this is the property window. If you don't see this window, just click on this tool and it will be appeared. So let's start creating UserForm. First, I will increase the font of this UserForm and change its caption. This is the caption of UserForm. You can change it from caption property. Employee details. This is the label control. It is the identifier for other controls. It will let the user know that what type of data should be entered into particular control. So just select it and change its caption to first name. Then now take a text box. It is a text box. You can enter the text into this field. Take another label control and just caption it last name, and take another text box for last name of employee. Okay, then address, new text box for address field, then age of employee, and just use spinner control to increase or decrease the value of this text box. Okay, now gender field, and you will have to create two option button, two radio button for gender field, first for male and second for female. As I described before, radio buttons and checkboxes should be used in a frame control, because frame control makes a group of these two controls. So let's create a frame for gender option. And place two option first is male, second is female. Clear the caption of frame. Okay, now designation, this is drop down control, it is called Combobox. A combo box is used to let the user select any one option from multiple options. So there should be multiple options. This is another frame control for checkboxes. It is qualification field, so change the caption of frame control to qualification. Higher secondary. Just copy and paste this control. Graduate. Postgraduate. PhD. Okay. Marital status. Create another combo box for marital status. It should have two values, married and unmarried, and user can select one of them. For command field, use a large text box and find the multi-line property and change it to true. So user can enter multi-line text, and you should use scroll bars, so when text of this text box will exceed, then scroll bars will be appeared. Finally, use a command button to enter the data from UserForm into a spreadsheet. So finally, the UserForm has been created. Okay, I explain all the things again. These are the text box. User can input the values into these text boxes as a text values. This is the text box, and as the spinner values will be increased, the value of this text box will also be increased. This is the frame control which makes the group of radio buttons. User can select one up option from these two option button. This is the combo box control. User can select any one option from multiple options. And this is another frame control, and it makes the group of checkboxes. The basic difference of checkboxes and radio buttons: user can select only one radio button from multiple radio buttons, but user can select as many as checkboxes. The user can select one checkbox or two checkbox or three checkbox, all of these checkboxes. So this is the basic difference between radio button and checkboxes. This is another combo box. It is marital status, and user can select only one option from this combo box. And this is the large text box for command field. User can enter comments for any employees. Finally, when user click on this button, all these values of these controls from user form will be inserted into worksheet on the next available rows. So this is the user form, this is the user interface for user, and I will explain the code of this user form in my next video, because if I explain the code in this video, then this video will be very large. So don't forget to watch my next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can watch more knowledgeable video to learn Excel macro VBA programming. So just click on the tag of top right corner on this video and subscribe my channel. You can click on the tab which is displayed on the top of this video to watch my next video, to watch the code of this user form. I will explain all the coding of these controls in my next video. So don't forget to watch my next video and subscribe my channel. Please comment on this video, and I will give you answer. And like this video, share this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.